Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today we're making fried chicken. Stay tuned.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
So today we're using just chicken drumsticks because so that's what I had in the fridge. So we're just gonna make use of what we have now. I'm just gonna go ahead now and clean up my chicken legs, removing all, if there's any excess feather on there. There's always a little layer of this yellow stuff on the end of the chicken. I just like to go in with my knife and scrape it off. Now for feathers that you can't really remove with a knife, I just go over my flame and just singe this off. Once I've done that, chicken's all cleaned. Now it's time to season. So I'm gonna go in with my complete seasoning. I'm also gonna use my Maggi chicken seasoning, some onion powder, and a little bit of my egg powder for the color. And also, just to combine this good, I'm going to use a little bit of olive oil. Now once you've given this a good rub, you can cover this and leave it for maximum flavor. You can leave it in the fridge overnight or for at least a minimum of 2 hours. Once it's time to fry your chicken, remove it from the fridge for about half an hour before it's time to fry it. Now in here I have some flour, also some corn flour. I'm gonna go in with some of my Maggi chicken seasoning, onion powder, and I'm also gonna add a little bit of white pepper. Want to give this a good mix so everything's combined together, and then go ahead and start flouring your chicken. Now once you have the flour in the chicken, do go in and just give it a good squeeze. Make sure that flour is just well packed on there. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for coming by. If you haven't yet subscribed, please go ahead, watch a few of my videos. If you like my content and you vibe with me, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continuous support. Now before you start flouring your chicken, please make sure you put a pan on with the oil so you can start getting hot. Now I do like to add some garlic and pepper to my oil. Now before adding the chicken, I do shake off the excess flour, because you don't want too much flour in the chicken, because then the chicken will appear to start burning, whilst outside will start burning whilst inside is raw. So please make sure you shake off the excess flour. Now I fried these for about 15 to 17 minutes in total. Now you want, depending on the size of your chicken, but these I would say roughly more on the 17-minute side, turning quite frequently. Now once I've kind of seared both sides, I do like to go in and just poke some holes in the chicken, because then I find that it just fries a lot better. It's like the steam's literally just going through the chicken, and when you poke the chicken, you do realize that the oil gets a little bit more aggressive. That means the chicken's still quite wet inside. Once the oil calms down a bit, then you know your chicken's good to go. Wow, Look at this little beauty right here. And like, there's something about chicken leg. I don't know. I just love to eat chicken leg, fried chicken legs. It's just actually the best for me. Now, once you remove your chicken, please make sure that you'll keep your chicken on a wired rack. I do like to go in with a little bit of napkin underneath just to catch the oil, and so there's just less mess in the pan. Now, after about 2 batches of my chicken, I do like to go in and strain the oil, because then the debris from the flour do get left in the bottom of the pan, and this again can cause your chicken to burn. Now, don't do what I do and go put your hand in there with just the napkin. Use a tongue, because remember, it says hot oil and you will burn your hand. So don't do what I do. So I'm just going to transfer the oil back to the pan now, also using my strainer just to catch the excess stuff. Now just go ahead now and just fry the rest of your chicken. Then chicken done, chicken fry. Look at this beauty. I had to just take it outside to capture the nice sunlight so you can just see the beauty of this chicken. Boy, look at that. There's just something about chicken legs. Now, I did serve this up with some rice and peas, cabbage and avocado. I do have a video on how I made this barefoot rice and peas. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment, and as I always say, to aim high, work hard, but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you next. Bye.